Hi, I am Roland Bagao, and in this video, I would show you how to conduct keyword research using Google Keyword Tool. You can also use software tools usually online to conduct keyword research. However, if you are just interested in keywords that comes up with Google search, then use Google Keyword Tool and you don't have to pay for expensive keyword softwares. In order to go to Google Keyword Tool, you don't need to register to Google AdWords. Just type Google Keyword Tool in Google search, and the top result would be Keyword Tool for Google AdWords. Just click on that and you would be taken to Google AdWords Keyword Tool. At the very top, at the left part, you should see Tools, they have two tools here. They have Keyword Tool and Traffic Estimator. In order for you to conduct keywords research, all you have to do is highlight Keyword Tool and you would be taken to this page here. You can type the keywords that you want. So for example, you are searching for the word, you want to evaluate the word affiliate. Just type affiliate here, and here at the advanced options, you can click on the plus here, the plus sign, and you would be taken to locations and languages. Just select all countries in order for you to be given the result for the global result, and then if you want specify any language, if you want English, or you can specify all languages. It all depends on you. If you want specify a certain language, you can do so. You have flexibility here with Google AdWords tool. For example, if you choose English and specify the result to be United States, you can do so. For our example here, we choose all countries and English language, and then just remove the filter here, and then you have to type the words here above in order for you to be given the results. After typing the CAPTCHA or the authentication here, just click results. Okay, so if you type the wrong CAPTCHA letters, the result would not be given to you. So retype the new CAPTCHA words here, or CAPTCHA letters, and click search. Then you are given at least 100 keywords here. You see you have 1 to 50 of 100, so you have 100 keyword results here. So the columns that you have here are keyword, you have the keyword column, the competition, the global monthly searches, and the local monthly searches. Here we have the same result for global monthly searches because we used all countries, however, in our locations and languages. But if we specify, for example, United States, and click search again, the local result would be different from the global monthly result. I think it has not refreshed its results. Wait. Okay, let's just specify all countries here, and we will try it with another search keyword. So at the left part you have match types. So in order for you to have a more accurate result, you can unclick this broad and click exact. If you click exact, it would refresh the result here. So the number of research, the global monthly searches here and local monthly searches have refreshed to show a lower number of searches because you have specified exact keywords. So for example, it is a not an exact match with your keyword, then it won't be included as part of your search. Here you can see that we have a keyword column, we have a competition column, we have a global monthly searches, local monthly searches, and local search trends. We can add a column here by clicking columns here. Click the columns here, and we can uncheck or check the columns here. What I would suggest you to do is to check the estimated average CPC or estimated average cost per click, then click save, and AdWords would add another column here, so you can see the average dollar cost per click. So as you can see here, for you to analyze which keyword best fit for your website, it depends actually if you are an advertiser with Google AdWords, you buy advertising from Google AdWords, or you are a publisher. If you are a publisher, I suggest that the more competition a keyword is, it's the right keyword for your websites, because there would be more advertisers that would be buying for the Google AdSense slot in your website. However, if you are an advertiser, I suggest that you choose a keyword that has a lower competition, because a higher competition means higher cost for you. For example, here we have Google Affiliate Network. This is a low competition keyword, although it has a high monthly search. The average cost per click is only $0.05, as you can see here, because there is no heavy competition for that keyword. Let's find another keyword here. As you can see here, we have another keyword, top affiliate programs. So it has a low monthly search for the here only 1,900, but the cost per click is $3.08. So if you're an advertiser, this is not the best keyword for you, although it actually depends upon your purpose. But if you are evaluating based on estimated average cost per click, this is an expensive keyword. Then we have here affiliate definition, and it has high number of search but low competition keyword. Look, it's cheaper. So that's how you use this Google AdWords tool. In my future videos, I would show you more about this Google AdWords tool, or you can go to my blog at wordpressteams-guide.com to read my post. I'll be posting more about this Google AdWords keyword tool.